Friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well to be at your home. So my dear students, today I am here with chapter 28. The topic is notice. In this class we will study English grammatics. So here this is our book, as everybody knows very well, and we are on chapter number 28. Here we will see notice. Notice means to say something should come in the notice of others, but that should be proper. A notice is a brief written copy meant to convey important information to people. Important. Notice means important. Okay. So main feature of notice writings are, what are these? Notice should have a heading. It should be short and brief. It should include the date when the notice is issued. It should be written in a simple and clear language, giving all necessary information. The name of the organization, person issuing the notice should be included. It should be written in third person. Here one format is given that we will first notice, then name of the institution, then heading. Heading means to say for which purpose you are going to write this notice. Then date of issue, then matter. Matter means content. And then the last is designation, whosoever has written this notice. So here one example is given that we will study. Write a notice for your school notice board informing students about a special health camp to be organized in the school's campus on a particular day by a team of local doctors. Mention the benefits that students would derive and call for their enthusiastic participation. You are Anshul Bhagat, the head boy of St. Anselm School, New Delhi. So here example, first we will write notice, then the name of the institution, then topic, and then date, and then the content. All the students are hereby informed that a health camp is being organized in the school campus on 4th March 2017 Saturday from 1 am to 4:30 pm. Eminent doctors of our city will be conducting the camp and providing free basic medical checkup to all the participating students. A talk on hygiene and nutrition will also be delivered for your benefit. Please attend the camp and avail of expert opinion on how you should take care of your most valuable asset. Anshul Bhagat, head boy. So this is the proper way to write a notice. So here, I hope up to here it is clear to you. So move to the exercise part. Here two notices are given that we have to write. First, your school is organizing a blood donation camp on Wednesday, the 17th December, as the school's head boy put up a notice announcing the program. So I have written both the answer in two formats that you will see. And the second question, your school is going to organize in its annual function, put up a notice to ask students to contact you if they want to participate in it. So here answer you will see. First, in this way we can write notice, then school name, that blood donation camp, then date. This is to inform all the students that our school is going to organize a blood donation camp on 17th December 2021 in our own campus. The camp will be inaugurated by our principal, Father Bino, at 10 am. So all the interested students and teachers are requested to cooperate with the school. For further information, contact our PTI, head boy, and then this one. Okay, and another way to write this is also answer number A1. You can write anyone. St. Mary's Senior Secondary School blood donation camp 27 July. Then this is notices to inform all the students and teachers that our school is going to organize a blood donation camp on 17 December 2021. Here timing I have given, venue, timing 10 to 6, and venue St. Mary's School Nagina, and then date 17th December 2021, chief guest XYZ. It means you can write any name to whom you want to call, and then last date to submission the names. So this is 19th November. So the blood donation camp donated by you will be given to the needy. One drop of your blood can save a life. For further details, contact PTI sir. Then head boy. Okay, so this was about this. And now the answer number 2, that was annual day celebration. So here notice, then school name, then annual day celebration, date. This is to inform all the students that our school is going to organize our school annual day celebration on 1st October 2021. from 11:30 to 2:30 p.m. at the school auditorium. Students who want to participate in cultural activities can give their names to their respective class teachers before 10th August 2021. The entry is strictly by the pass that will be issued by school on 28th September 2021. For further details, contact to your class teacher, then head girl ABC. Another format for this here: notice, then institution name, then annual day celebration date. This is to inform all the students of our school that our school is going to celebrate our annual day function on 1st October 2021. Then in this way we will give all the information: date, timing, place, chief guest, whosoever you want you can, and you can call. And then the entry is strictly by the pass that will be issued by school. Give your names to your class teacher before 10th of August, then head by ABCD. I hope this is clear to you. All got all the answers? Okay, so what you will do, you will read all the rules and regulation properly, and you will come to know how we can write a notice, and then the answers are given here. Which one you want you can copy. For each question 2 answers are there. Got it? So which one you want you can copy, but try to do your work on time and keep in touch of your study. Thank you my dear students. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.